See that line, Mark? Take the knife and just make a scratch right there on it. You want to keep it right up against this square. Alright, now we'll make it a little bit deeper. You see how I always keep the flat side of the knife to the square. You see the scratch? You want to line that up right with your right there. And take your saw. I'm going to get it started for you because look how I use my finger. Come over on this side. Come in between my arms. See if I can do it with you standing there. See how I use my finger? I'm not pushing the teeth. I'm pushing the side of the saw. I keep that to get it lined up. Alright, now take it. I'm going to keep my finger there for you. You hold the saw and see if you can keep it on that line and cut it straight back. Not bad for a first cut. Keep going. Alright. Now I'll mark the other one and we can do the same for it. Now listen, well, don't cut yet. You had your hand right here, so if you slipped, you come right back onto your hand. Good job. Alright, good job. Now we got to glue this in the box. These about 12 inches up. It don't have to be exact. It can be a little lower than 12.
What is that?
This is a marking gauge. This is like what we used on the when we were doing the dovetails.
Went upwards.
You don't want a whole bunch of squeeze out here. I just want to check.
This one is so much easier.
This one right here. What are you doing, dog? Watch out of the way, Meadaloo. Put one right here. It's not time for lovin's. This is a very inconvenient time. Here, go on. Put one right here. Alright. Can put one down here. Here, let me do this one. This one is hard. Ready? What do?
Cut them the same exact length.
Yep, I'll lay this on top of here. And then I'll use my marking knife.
And more.
And just to start the mark, not to make the full mark. And I'll use a square for the rest. I got a square right here, bud. And so I put the knife in the notch where the knife mark was at, and then put the square up to that. Alright, let's get your saw here. I'll get it started. The hardest part is getting started. Here you go, cut it the rest of the way. Just focus on trying to keep it as straight as you can. we want a piece on each side, and we want this piece to fit in the middle. So what we can do is put these both on one side and make sure they're exactly flush on the edge, and then lay that there.
And then use the knife.
Yeah, so watch how I'll do it. So how I'll do it is I'll take it and I'll put it right there. And see how it makes just a little bitty knife? And I can put this in here. Bring it up to the knife. And then scratch across. There's two. Don't do with knives. You don't have to push hard. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift. Yeah, pretty cool. Makes a good straight line. Let's go shoot a game of pool. Let this dry for 20 minutes or so. Then we'll come back. Slide it back and forth. You like the way it fits? You did a good job on that. Give me 5. This is how I'm going to do it for right now.
Then you have that big spacer. No.
I'm just going to figure out how. Glue everything. Oh, mighty lady. You just can't get enough attention today, can you?
Me?
Yeah.
Over the hills and far from home, she's waiting for love to be realized.
There we go. All right. Let's let the glue dry. Wanna go eat supper? So here we go. I've got the till. Slides back. It misses the top of the still by about 1/4 inch. And slides really good. The only thing that I have super tight in here is the stone, and I wanted that tight just because it's breakable, and so I don't want it to move around a bunch. But everything else, I wanted to have plenty of room to get my fingers in. I didn't want to be trying to like pinch it out of there. I thought about, you know, taking the time to measure everything and cutting it out with a CNC and just having little finger holds. And it would have been cool, but I just didn't feel like it was worth the time. It takes a long time to measure this all out and put it into CAD. But also, I just kind of like this. I like the idea that if, you know, it's more versatile. You know, this slot right here will fit a standard file. So if I decide to go back to regular hand filing, I can put it in here. Yeah, the only other thing I might make a little bit more fixed is this, my stump vise, only because, you know, it can cause some damage. It's got a little bit of weight to it, a little bit of mass. It can cause some damage. But for right now, I think it's good right there. Now, this is a very thin till, but that was intentional. One, I had to be above this handle on the chainsaw, and then the height of the box was limited because of the inside height of the toolbox on the truck, which I really hope this fits. I hope I haven't screwed that up. But also, you know, this is the stuff that I wanted to carry in there, and it happens to be that it's all thin, so it worked out. Well, if you like this kind of video, hit the thumbs up button. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down button. Either way, leave me a comment telling me why so I can try to get better. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you. Hit that subscribe button, and if you'd like to get notified every time I put out a new video, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Did you have fun making that?